Hello everyone, David Kroll, Remax Solutions. I'm over here at 1405 Calabria Street in Santee. We have an awesome townhome that is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, overlooking all of Santee Valley. You've got Santee Lakes right down below, and then you got this great view that's just right off of the living room and the master bedroom. So really nice complex. You can see the rock fascia. Nice colors, very well manicured. Let's go check out this house. So, property is built in 2010, so it's pretty updated. It's got really nice wood floors. We're gonna walk right in. You'll see the dining area. You know, it can fit 6 people, pretty comfortable right here. We got the family room, which is also nice and spacious. You got a media center for your, flat screen TV and your audio equipment. Large center island for sitting up to it with, you could probably fit 4 stools, but also you can put a lot of food on there if you have a gathering. And then you have the black appliance package special with gas stove, stainless steel sink. You've got a little powder bathroom right off of the kitchen. And let's see, you got a 2-car garage you drive straight into. The owner has put in some storage racks. But what I like is you just come right out of your car. If you've got a car full of groceries, you just come put them away in this nice kitchen. And it's a very short walk. It's very convenient, especially if you've got heavy stuff like waters. Coming upstairs to where all the bedrooms are. As you can see, the colors throughout this property are very warm and neutral earth tones. We've got, I'll be quick on these, bedroom 1, coming down to bedroom 2, decent sized rooms, all have closets, bedroom 3. They're all supported by this full bathroom up here, so you got dual vanity, again the dark brown, beautiful, elegant cabinets. You got a full shower. And also upstairs is a laundry room, full-size laundry room. The washer and dryer will convey with the property. It's got a door, so if someone's running laundry, you can shut it, and so the noise doesn't inconvenience the others. Hey, let's go look at this master bedroom. Over here, you got a very spacious master bedroom that has that gorgeous view that I showed you earlier. Really big master bedroom. We got a big king size. It's got a retreat right off of here that the owner's using as an office area, but it could be a seating room. You've got a walk-in closet, really deep, nice and spacious. You can put a lot of clothing in there. Then you've got an en-suite bathroom, dual vanity, again the dark cabinets, soaking tub, you got glass shower. So come on down, check this property out. Again, for $500,000, built in 2010. 4 bedroom, 3 bath. It's a good deal. It's got some great amenities. If you want to see, I'll do it on another video, but we have full pool system, great pool and spa overlooking that great Santee Valley. It's got, for young kids, got a big jungle gym playground area that has barbecues there, barbecues at the pool. So this is centrally located close to all of that. So come on down, check this property out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Take care.